Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to delete and how to create the video capture, audio capture, anything in the OBS Studio. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Come to the laptop and open the OBS Studio application, and you can see here this is the my video audio option. This is the video capture option. Click on it. The video capture will hide, and if you want to unhide the video capture option, then click on the eye icon. You can see here you can hide and unhide video capture and audio capture from the OBS Studio by clicking the eye icon, and then click on the eye icon again. If you first time click on the eye icon, it will hide, and if you again click on the eye icon, it will unhide. And how to remove? Right click on it and then click on the remove option. So if I want to create the another display capture, click on the plus option, click on it, and then click on the display capture option and type the name of the display capture, and then finally click on the OK button and choose this one option. The display will capture here, then click on the OK button, and you can see here I have created two display capture. One is this one and another one is this one. I want to delete this one. Click on it, right click on it, and then click on the remove option, and then are you sure you wish to remove it? Click on the OK button. Yes, I want to remove this one from the OBS Studio main page. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to hide and unhide the display capture, audio capture, and how to delete and remove the display and audio capture option, and how to create the audio and video display capture. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.